Hello everyone, welcome to this session on content generation using NLP models. I am Bhushan, and in this video we will explore how machine can now help us to write a content like a blog post, email, product description and even stories. Sounds magical, right? But it's real, and it's all thanks to natural language processing, or simply we can call it as a NLP. So let's break this topic down in simple and fun way. Let's start with the basic question. What is content generation? Content generation is a process of automatically creating text that sounds like it was written by human. It can be something as small as an email subject line or large as a blog post or social media campaign. We are using AI to do this task that use 100% human. The AI doesn't have feeling or opinion, but it learns from the huge amount of the data. That one is the text data written by the real people. From this, it learns grammar, sentence structure, tone, and how to stay on a topic. So, if you ever have seen the tools that say write a blog post in a 10-second or auto-generate product description, chances are they are using NLP model under the hood. Now, what exactly NLP? NLP is natural language processing. In simple word, NLP is a field in artificial intelligence that focuses on how computer can understand, interpret and generate human language. For example, NLP allows Google Translate to convert text from English to Hindi like a general our language translation. It powers autocorrect on your phone. It automatically suggests some kind of the correct spell on your keypad, and it lets chatbots reply to customer message. When it comes to content generation, NLP helps computer to understand what you want and then write something useful and readable. Earlier models were basic. They could only fill blanks or answer short questions. But today, we have the models like a GPT, T5 and BERT that can generate full paragraphs, summarize it, or even create a stories. Now let's understand how do this model can generate a content. Let's say you ask the AI write a paragraph about the importance of exercises. Behind the scenes, this AI looks billions of text example. It was trained on article, books, blogs, and website. It predicts one word at a time, just like how we think while typing. It uses the context of your prompt to stay on topic, and in few seconds it writes a complete paragraph for you. These models are trained using techniques like language modeling, which is predicting the next word, transfer learning, which is a learn general rules and then fine tune for the task, and transformers architectures, which is advanced deep learning models we can say, or NLP model, which tells us the today's best model. We can say it as a best model for the today's world. Now look at some popular NLP model used for generating this content, and here are the most well-known model. First one is a GPT. GPT is what? It is a generative pre-trained transformers created by OpenAI, used in ChatGPT, which we are using nowadays. Great tool for writing essays, stories and summarize, and there are many use cases in which we are using this GPT model. Then there is a BERT. BERT is what? It is a bidirectional encoder representation form of transformers from Google, more focused on understanding text rather than generating long responses. We also have the T5. T5 is what? Text to text transformers. Also it is developed by the Google, and it converts one type of text into the another. For example, summarizing long passages. Then we have the Llama. Llama is what? It is a large language model which is presented by or developed by the Meta. Meta is an open source alternative to GPT. Each model has a strength. Some are good at writing long format content, while others are great at short answer and specific task. Now, where it content generation actually begin used today. So here are some example. Blog writing. Tools like a Jasper or Writesonic can create a blog, intros, outliners and entire post. In e-commerce, We can use it for a product description and generate automatically for thousands of items. For email marketing, AI can write a catchy subject lines and personalized message. In social media campaigns, so we have the brands. We can use the AI to write engaging posts for Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn social media platforms. We also can use this in summarization. AI summarization, like in long news articles or research paper, into the few sentences we can generate it. Idea generation, even creator and YouTubers use this AI to brainstorm video titles or script. So you see, content generation is already begin used across industry. Now, why are people using AI for content? Here are some clear benefits. Firstly, it saves times. How? Instead of taking off hours to generate or to write that content, you can create content in a minutes. Next one is the scalability. You can create a hundreds product description without managing writing. So your time the time which get consumed in that writing that story, it just we can do that thing in a seconds of time. Then boost creativity. Something AI gives idea we wouldn't have thought of that. So it is also related to the creativity, and also it affect on the cost effectivity. It reduce the need of large content teams, so our cost get affected. And consistency, keep a tone and grammar uniform across the pages. So AI acts like a writing assistant, always ready to help anytime you need. Now there are some challenges and consideration, but AI is not a perfect, right? So there are some challenges. First one is a hallucination. AI can make up a fact or give wrong information. So it's always our responsibility, our duty to review that content. Then repetition. Some output may be sound robotic or repetitive. And ethical and copyright. Who owns that content? Did the model learn from the copyrighted data? That also is one of the challenges. Then lack of human touch. It may be miss the emotional tone or subtlety. So that are some challenges which we need to take in consideration. So that's why it's best to use AI as a helper, not a replacement for a writer. And here are few best practices to follow. Use a clear prompt. The better the instruction, the better the output. Always edit and verify. Don't publish raw AI text as it is. Use AI for ideation, outlines and draft. And add the human polish. Combine with SEO tools for better reach, and be transparent if content is AI assisted, especially if it is a professional or academic use. Remember, AI plus human, that is a super word for writing. So let's wrap up the things. What we have learned today: AI and NLP can now generate useful content quickly and it is scalable. Next one, model like GPT, BERT, T5 Power tools are we see today. We have seen, and AI used a blogging, e-commerce, email writing, and much more. It saves time, boosts creativity, and help us to scale content. But it also needs human review and ethical handling. In short, NLP has transformed writing. We have not just consumed the AI content. Many of us are already using this AI to create a content. And thank you so much for joining this session on content generation using NLP model, and I hope this gives you solid understanding of how AI is reshaping the world. So, and I am Bhushan, and I encourage you to try it yourself. So until next time, keep learning and keep creating. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching the video. Our knowledge partners, certification alliances and curriculum creators are. Join our popular courses and get an immersive learning experience as we proudly serve as a global trailblazing training solutions provider, dealing with bringing a revolution in upskilling by offering comprehensive and specialized training programs. Following are our services: instructor-led virtual training, on-site training, corporate training, exclusive and individual training, self-paced training, classroom training, customized training, campus training. To know more about our courses, visit our website. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video.